Fabspeed in Fort Washington, PA. Just had my 2018 Lamborghini Huracan. We did a Valvetronic stainless steel system, custom made in here. And he had his wrap guy do the roof, and it was a 2-layer roof job. He picked up the car, brought it down there, clean facility. It's been here for 25 plus years. I've been doing a lot of research for the Huracan. I've had different exhaust systems. Some older systems I've had a lot of drone, a lot of noise in there, which got old after a while. Fabspeed has one of the top systems for a Valvetronic with a diaphragm bladder in there. So I did a lot of research, talked to Joe, talked to their team. They did a great job, got the car in, clean job. Everything looks well done. So I'm excited to hear this exhaust. So I'm going to highly recommend them. My buddy's going to come on down with his G-Wagon. All my future cars, we're going to have set up some business here. So it's very happy with everything. Everyone's here very, very friendly and great facility. Come check it out in Fort Washington.